I go to the supermarket. I go to the supermarket. I take my shopping bag. I take my shopping bag. I check my wallet. I check my wallet. I lock the door. I lock the door. I open the car door. I open the car door. I put my bag in the car. I put my bag in the car. I sit in the car. I sit in the car. I close the car door. I close the car door. I check the mirror. I check the mirror. I put on my seatbelt.
I start the car. I start the car.
I drive slowly. I drive slowly. I stop at the supermarket. I stop at the supermarket. I park the car. I park the car. I turn off the engine. I turn off the engine. I take my bag. I take my bag. I open the car door. I open the car door. I get out of the car. I get out of the car. I close the car door. I close the car door. I walk to the entrance. I walk to the entrance. I take a shopping cart. I push the cart inside. I push the cart inside. I look around. I look around. I check my shopping list. I check my shopping list. I go to the vegetable section.
I pick up some tomatoes. I pick up some tomatoes.
I put the tomatoes in the cart. I put the tomatoes in the cart. I choose some carrots. I put the carrots in a bag. I put the carrots in a bag. I weigh the vegetables. I print the price sticker. I print the price sticker. I stick the label on the bag. I stick the label on the bag. I put the vegetables in the cart. I put the vegetables in the cart. I go to the fruit section. I go to the fruit section. I pick up some apples. I pick up some apples. I choose some bananas. I choose some bananas. I smell the fruit. I smell the fruit. I put the fruit in the cart. I put the fruit in the cart. I look around for more fruit. I look around for more fruit. I am happy with my fruit. I am happy with my fruit. I push the cart away. I push the cart away. I go to the dairy section. I go to the dairy section. I take a cartoon of milk. I take a cartoon of milk. I check the expiration date. I check the expiration date. I take some eggs. I take some eggs. I put the eggs in the cart carefully. I put the eggs in the cart carefully. I look at other dairy products. I look at other dairy products. I choose a loaf of bread. I choose a loaf of bread. I take some juice. I take some juice. I grab some snacks. I grab some snacks. I check my list again. I go to the checkout. I wait in line. I wait in line. I put my items on the counter. I put my items on the counter. I pay with cash. I pay with cash. I take my receipt. I take my receipt. I put the receipt in my bag. I take my shopping bags. I take my shopping bags. I leave the supermarket. I leave the supermarket.